Hey guys, and welcome to another video from Dainty Bite. Today I'm making the ultimate fluffiest yeast dinner rolls. These will come together in no time. You can brush them with butter, or you can make this amazing mix of herbs, butter, and parmesan. This is actually the only recipe you'll need for dinner rolls or even hamburger buns. It's very versatile. Let me show you how to make it and the secret to success. Let's get started. You always want to start by cooking some flour and water over medium heat. When it comes to a boil and starts to thicken, you're gonna remove, let it sit, and come to room temperature. You don't want to really use it cold or hot. It's a very simple step, but it's gonna make all the difference. You can move to a plate, place in the fridge until it comes to room temperature. I'm gonna start working on the dough right now. I add 3.5 cups of flour, and I'm using bread flour for this recipe. A high gluten flour is recommended. And as always, look in the description box for all the amounts and all the ingredients, plus the preparation method. I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of instant dry milk, and 1/4 cup of sugar. And you can do without the instant powdered milk if you don't have any. The dry ingredients are mixed well. I'm gonna add the wet ingredients, and that includes 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, and it helps if everything is room temperature. I mix it a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the room temperature butter and the tangzhong or the flour water that we cooked over the stove. Now you're gonna knead the dough in the mixer for almost 10 minutes. You want a shaggy, soft dough, but you don't want a watery dough. This is what you're looking for at the end. You're gonna move the dough to a clean bowl. I sprayed the bowl with a little bit of baking spray, a mix of flour and butter. Cover and let it sit for at least 1 hour. If you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are in the description box as well. I'm gonna line a baking dish with parchment paper for easy cleanup and easy release. The dough's been resting for over an hour. It doubled in size and it looks heavenly. This looks like a very good soft dough. I flour the surface lightly, so add as much or as little as needed just for the dough not to stick. Divide into 15 equal portions, or try to. And this is how you're gonna shape the dough. It's super soft. Try not to add too much flour, just as needed. Shape a perfectly round ball. And repeat the process 14 more times with the rest of the dough. You can shape this way as well, whichever is easier for you. When you're finished with the whole amount, you're gonna cover and let it rest another half an hour or until it doubles in size. While this happens, I'm gonna prepare some butter. You can simply brush it with melted butter, but I'm gonna take it a step further. I'm gonna add some herbs like chives, rosemary and parsley, parmesan and garlic. I'll leave all the amounts in the description box. I'm gonna mix it with the butter and brush on top of the dinner rolls once they come out of the oven. I'm gonna prep the whole thing because I'm gonna brush them while they're still hot. Now I mix 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream with 1 egg. This is the egg wash. I'm gonna brush the dinner rolls. They'll get golden and beautiful in color. They're super soft. I'm gonna brush them well on all sides. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until they become golden in color. Brush as soon as they come out of the oven with the butter herb mixture. I'll tell you, these were so good, light, fluffy, and delicious. I really hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, Bon appétit!